Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. So today, the ZTE Grand X Max 2 was updated. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. I woke up and it was updating itself, so I was kind of freaking out for a second there. But as you can see, it says last updated November 11th, 2016. So, and sorry if Little John starts, making his little noises. I'm sorry, guys. But just wanted to bring you this, guys. So current version Z988V, or version 1.2.15. It did seem to fix that issue that it had with the turning thing. Definitely vertical and horizontal issue there. Let's see here. So that was a lot of the big deal about this phone, was to horizontal transition, but very smooth now, very fast. I'll have to see about everything else, but that was one of the biggest things. I guess Bluetooth was as well, but I've been listening to my Bluetooth headset here for about an hour or two. Don't know what else was updated exactly, but if you guys see this update, and Little John, if you guys see this update on your phone, then so far it seems like it's safe. It's okay, and it won't break your phone or anything like that. I have had it on other carriers, other mobile carriers or whatever, that they just pushed out an update and then for some reason it messed up the phone or whatever. Just saying, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes when you see that up there, it's kind of scary sometimes. But so you got Android version 6.0.1. And let's see here. You got your little marshmallow game, which I'm terrible at. Alright, guys, so this has been John from Magic Tech Review, and hopefully you enjoy the little update. I'll continue to update this. I don't know, the ZTE Grand X Max 3 or ZTE Grand X3 will get one later or not. I'm not sure, but I'll let you know as soon as that happens as well. Just really happy about this auto rotate thing, because it was kind of annoying, but now it's fixed, so not a big deal. I knew ZTE would come through eventually, even though they take their time. And please give a like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know if you are also going to download this update, or does this put a little bit more trust in you with the ZTE updates and all that. Leave a comment below. Thank you, guys. Peace out. Have a